Want to enjoy Android Auto in your Android head unit for your car? Then this video is for you. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can run Android Auto in your Android head unit. Any Android head unit for all cars. So let's go. So for this you need to download an application called as the head unit reloaded page new.apk. This file, the download file, I have given in the description, so go and download from that. After downloading, just tap on that and press install. I have already installed this, so I won't install it again. After installing, go to your home, go to the apps, and this is the logo for it. Tap on that. So this is the layout. Here you can see it is written self, Wi-Fi, support, USB, settings and exit all the app. Now get your phone, go to the settings, go to about phone, and here find the build number and tap on that for 5-6 times and become a developer. After becoming a developer, go back to system and find your developers options here. After open the developer options and search for USB debugging mode. You need to turn it on. Okay, just click on OK, and now you're done. So now let's connect the phone. Okay, so I've connected the phone. As you can see, now it has detected my phone, and you get this pop-up message. When you get this pop-up message, you can just tap on OK. Once more it will come. Just tap on OK, and that's it. Now it will turn on. Let's see. Android Auto has booted up. So this is the layout. You get split screen. This is showing because it is in the home. So this is your map and this is your time. But if you click on this small dot, now this becomes your map. You can still access that. It will not move. Okay, and these are your apps. If you want to play a song, I'll show you playing a song. As you can see, the song is playing now. Now here you get your music controls. I can play pause from here itself. Change the track as well. You can even use voice control. Here is the voice control button. Tap on that and you can say anything. But since my head unit's mic is not working, so it won't hear me, but yours it will. So if this video did help you, do consider subscribing to my channel. Do like this video, comment and share this video so that many people can take the advantage of this app. Thank you for watching.